Take a ride in the 2019 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, automatic transmission, remote engine start, trailering package, remote power door locks, Bluetooth, cruise control, trip computer, tachometer, engine hour meter. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.